Someone's turning red and really struggling. I wonder why. What does that smell, kid? Just turning so red. Oh, kiddo. What is it? You okay? Too much fiber today?
What was that? What's that noise?
Give it a period of calm here. Is that the end of the show? You like a new toy? Pick that one out special. Are you done? Are you all done? You better now? You feel better?